everybody. So today we're basically back in the garage doing another little thing. This one's actually super practical for people who are in states that require a front plate. So as you guys can see here, I've had this inside the car sitting like this for quite a long time, and that's fine and well, but recently we were driving around with a white car, which should attract no attention whatsoever at all. Yet we ended up getting pulled over by a state trooper for having the plate in the windshield. So basically what we're gonna end up doing today is installing this front plate kit. And this is the $20-something one on Amazon. So should be an easy process, but we're gonna go through it. We're gonna end up having to remove one of these tow hooks. I think I'm gonna do the passenger side. I don't have the parking sensors, so this thing is gonna be not an issue, but some people do, so you're gonna have to work and position it in a way where it doesn't affect the parking sensors. I'm gonna take a brief break to go help them cut the grass, because that's what they're doing right this second. And we'll get back to this install. But again, I really didn't want to do this, but at the same time, I'd rather not, risk getting a ticket or something like that. It's removable. You'll be able to change it and then change it back if you want to go to a car show. What's the matter, Papa?
The yarn's broken.
Oh no. Okay, well, I'm gonna go do that. Basically, what we're gonna do here is find one edge that we want to use. So there we go. Kind of give it a nice little push. Don't try to use things that pry or whatever else. That's not going to work. Because honestly, I've done this kind of thing before. I tried to use the screwdriver to get this out. It's almost never pretty. So this is basically what you want to do. And then you have this as holding it in. Kind of give it a pinch. Pull it forward. And as you guys can see there, it's completely out. And we should be ready to get the next part of the kit. So we're gonna dig through here. I mean, it seems pretty self-explanatory as to what it has. It's just gonna be something that attaches in here, and then we're gonna be putting that back plate over there, and then we're gonna be putting our license plate lastly. So let's go ahead and dive into that, and let me get some of this stuff undone here. So basically what you're getting in the kit is this right here. You're getting the bracket. This is going to be the bolt and the nut that go into the end of here, and then you're getting a little tool that you can use to adjust it. I'm probably going to go buy a lock washer. I'm going to still do the installation right now, but I'm going to buy a lock washer so that it holds it better in place. But to sum this up, you basically take this in, stick it in here. Gonna screw it in all the way. Then you're gonna be taking your plate, however you wanna have it. And then you're gonna take this screw, put it through here, and thread it in. Use this tool right here to tighten it. And then you're gonna get your plate. So let's just say this is here. You're gonna get your plate, line it up with these additional holes. Then you're gonna be taking these screws through here, as so, and then tightening them on the other end there. So honestly, pretty straightforward. You can't really mess this up too much. We'll go ahead and get this for now. Okay, so that's nice and tight. Shouldn't be going anywhere. I've got canards, so this kind of acts as a... It's not going to be able to go anywhere there. Might be a little bit more difficult on other cars, but mine pretty much mounts up nice and well like that. And then we're going to be putting on the plate. basically see how we're matching hole to hole. There we go, like that. Okay, so now I've got that front plate on and everything, but I'm not gonna lie, it's really nice not having something blocking that view anymore. I mean, there's lots of reasons why people want to do the front plates. I mean, obviously I didn't drill into my bumper, so that's going to be an amazing benefit of just putting a tow hook front plate on, but also safety. In general, I mean, you're going to hear this a lot because, I mean, it's a possibility, right? You have your plate sitting right here, you get into maybe an accident or something like that, that plate potentially could come flying back into occupants of the vehicle. So, I mean, at the same time, it does like make the front end look a little bit uglier, but it might, you know, honestly, it's better safe than sorry, especially like when I have a 3-year-old. So I've got, you know, his baby seat back there and everything, but I think it's a smart move, and I really don't think it looks too bad. I'll be showing you guys a view of the front end here in a little bit, but I'm already on the way home, so I just thought I'd get the camera out and show that it's, you know, nice to not have something blocking the view over there or rattling or anything else. So okay, so basically I've been driving around with the new front plate for a while now, and I can definitely say that it's held on very well. I haven't had any problems with it, no issues with it being floppy or kind of falling off. But one thing that I do want to note though is I do have these canards. And some people basically say that this kind of blocks the front radar setup. I wouldn't really know because I'm not, basically I don't have the front radar system on this car. So, you know, to those who have had that complaint, there's not much I can do because I can't test, I don't have that on my vehicle. So just basically to reiterate, what we did is we put this in here and we use the front tow hook to mount it, and then what we did is screw in these nuts to secure it and put this basically like a little plate bracket around here. But I've been driving around with it again, no issues, no problem. I honestly don't think it interferes aesthetically with the car. I think the car looks just as good. That way you guys can see what's going on with it there. I know this is going to be helpful for people who just bought the car and who don't already have something pre-drilled. I mean, I definitely would not want to ever drill the bumper on an Alfa. So if you can find a way about going around, you know, that entire process, this is probably going to be it. As far as how the rest of the car is doing, I think we're looking really good. Oh, and I've got some big things coming as far as we're going to be replacing this steering wheel soon, and I've already got the actual 2022 steering wheel, so that's going to be an upcoming video. I'm pretty excited to get to that one as well, but I think overall the Alfa project's coming along great. There will definitely be updates to a few things as we go along. My next video may or may not be the hood, but it might be the hood, just depending on what I get to. But I'm excited to go down, see Modded Motors, and get this thing swapped out. I might end up doing the drive without the hood, see how that goes, so that I don't have to bring things back and forth. But as always, I really appreciate you guys supporting and liking my channel. Sorry if we had a little bit of wind interference there, but I'm basically happy to continue to put these videos out here, and we'll continue to do so for the foreseeable future. So, as always, Alfa Mods out.